fireworks and a crazy storm. Partially obstructed view. Oh, so we got the garden, backyard. Of course, now the wind stops.
You can see it up there.
Yeah, we got lightning off to the below.
Where's that photo? That's light.
That was crazy. It looked like, yeah, it did. It looked like the burning bush. And you hear all the sirens in the background.
Is Anna still out there?
Oh, now the winds are back.
That's where in Finale.